Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I want to talk about why you can't edit your tweets on Twitter and some potential good news at the end of the video, so keep on watching. If I go ahead and press the plus and then I just tweet something random here, so let me just type tweet and then I'll go ahead and tweet that real quick. So now it's been tweeted. So if I go to my profile, here's my tweet at the top. If I tap on those three dots, you can see that there's no option to edit the tweet, but there is some potentially good news coming to Twitter that they are going to be releasing a edit button for the platform. It's not too sure how the details of it are going to work, but you can find further information on it on Google. If you just type edit tweet, you can see various articles talking about the topic. Here's how Twitter edit tweet feature could work. Here's the first look at the tweet edit button, and so on and so forth. So I'll leave a couple of these articles linked up in the description down below, so you can keep up to date with this new news. As soon as the edit tweet button is available, I will be doing a video on that topic. So if this cleared it up for you, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.